Hello, beautiful people. You're most welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous Channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare a drink that will spark up your bedroom like a shining light, alright? And it will revive that energy, that natural man strength in you, and you and your partner are gonna be excited about what you just learned. Alright, so guys, this drink I did a little research about it and a little field work as well. So I gave it to like 3 men, 2 are married and the other one is not married. So I gave it to them and they tried it out because I actually heard about it for the first time, because before I make any video I try to like some of the recipes, I try them out myself for some time and see the result before sharing it with you guys. And this one I had to like give 3 different guys that tried it out and they came back with smiles and they were like, wow, you are the bomb. And I want you guys to also come back and hail me. The smiles on your faces, I want you to come back and tell me that yeah, this really worked for you. Alright guys, so without saying much, I'm gonna be showing you a drink that will bring back the boom boom bar in your marriage, in your relationship, and you will be super excited you came across this video. So this drink should be taken when you're ready for action, okay? So once you are ready for action, you drink it. This drink is gonna be made up of 3 powerful ingredients: ginger, garlic, and onions. People spend millions on medications to enhance their sexual performance. They use synthetic drugs that in the long run have residual effects on their health. One truth about life is that nature has provided solutions to all sorts of hindrances in a man's life. Medically, socially, economically, anything you could think of, the solutions has been in existence far before the creation of man. There are natural food items that can make a man as agile as you can ever think of. So these are part of those natural items I'm going to be sharing with you on this video. The first thing you need to do, make sure you buy matured ginger, matured onions for effective results. Ginger can be very nourishing for the sexual organs, enough to even kill off prostate cancer cells. Additional benefits of this racy root include its ability to purge toxins from the body and reduce inflammation. Onions also benefit the endocrine gland, which produces the hormones that contribute to your alertness, stamina, and sexual performance. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash and cut them inside my blender. Lastly, I'm gonna add garlic, pour a little water and then blend. So guys, my drink is ready. So guys, after that you go ahead and strain. If you like, if you want to drink it like that, you can also drink it as well. You know, fiber is very good for the body, but if you don't want, you can strain it just like I just did. Alright, beautiful people, hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my